Welcome to XENOS Packaging. We've been here for you since day one to bring your dreams to life. You send us your order and we get straight to work. First, we find inspiration. Then we design and create packaging tailored to your needs. Our key tools are professionalism and enthusiasm. When you choose us, you choose experience, variety, quality, customization. At XENOS Packaging, we give your products the attention they deserve with unique packaging delivered quickly and easily. Our packaging protects your products, carries your logo everywhere, and advertises your business. It becomes an essential accessory for every occasion, from dusk till dawn. They are there whenever we need them, as an indispensable part of our lives. XENOS, packaging that stands out.